Before the colour service, carry out a creative consultation to best assess your client's colour and care needs. Create an irregular fringe section from the high recession on each side. Then take an irregular curved section from the top crown to the fringe section. Next, take a radial parting from the irregular section to the top of the ear on both sides. Secure all sections with TIGI PRO Sectioning Clips. This will give you a total of 5 sections. Begin by subdividing the fringe section and taking a diagonal parting. Next, take a seamless weave and apply Formula 1. Secure the hair in foil and create a single packet. Repeat on the opposite side. Continue until you have completed 5 partings on each side. Moving on to the irregular top section, take a diagonal parting, then subdivide to secure a slice. Apply Formula 1, secure the hair in foil and create a double packet. On the next parting, take a seamless weave. Repeat the technique, finishing an inch from the edge of the section. Progress onto the back section and subdivide for ease of application. Take a horizontal parting and apply Formula 2A to the new growth. And Formula 2B to the lengths and ends. Secure with a TIGI copyright colour mesh strip. Repeat on the opposite side and continue until the back sections are complete, incorporating the remaining hair from the top section. At the side section, take a horizontal parting and apply Formula 2A to the new growth. Secure with a TIGI copyright colour mesh strip. Continue until the section is complete, then repeat on the remaining sections. Process the colour for up to 40 minutes. Emulsify, rinse and remove with your chosen copyright range. Tone the pre-lightened areas with Formula 3 and process for up to 20 minutes. Emulsify, rinse and condition with your recommended TIGI copyright care regime.